Okay, I'm Hamish.
I'm Y2J, and this is the double vlog takeover.
Are we saying that together?
Yeah, we're supposed to say that together.
It's the double vlog.
If you're watching his video, if you're watching my video, the beginning of the video is the same, like this. And this is Filipino Day. All right, we're gonna go find Hamish. We're gonna find Hamish. Where's Hamish? I've given Hamish this nice gimbal to hold on to. I've got nothing, I've got the camera itself, but it's an 80D and it's as heavy as fuck. It's like holding a brick.
So we're about the same weight.
Yes.
Right. Should I say, where is good to eat here? Zooming on this? It's hilarious vlog material, I tell you. Yeah, I managed to spill it all over myself while filming myself. Fortunately, I didn't get any of your camera yet.
Well, that's good news.
Do what you're told. Hang on. Maybe this button? No, maybe this button.
Oh, there you go.
Oh. Now maybe home.
You just doing a bit of vlogging.
Yes, we're doing a vlog takeover. So this is actually his equipment and I'm trying to use it. And he's got my easy to use equipment. So I'm kind of filming nothing of this.
Right.
This thing.
It's cool.
It is cool if I had any idea.
Figure it out.
Well, what the heck's happening? Okay, have fun. See you guys. It was good to see you. I'm sorry you guys didn't get to see them. Here we go, they're going. Oh, that was terrible filming. I am terrible at this thing. I would never buy one, to be honest. It's too technical. There, guys.
Well, what was it you were just saying a minute ago about the gimbal?
It works for you. Oh, good. Cheers.
Hamish is freaking out about the gimbal. It's just a wee bit too much for him.
I'm old school, man. I'm totally old school. This is my gimbal. My hands are steady.
Is it okay to cut a piece of cheese with a knife? Or does using a knife make you a barbarian?
Oh. Cutting cheese with a knife is the way they cut it. That's why they have cheese knives.
Now, have you memorized any of D-Man's music?
Bob Black Sheep.
So
I invented the song. He just came along and copied it.
So can you sing a bit of that for us now?
Baba Black Sheep, have you any more?
That's it?
Yes sir. 3 bags full.
Well, did you know that I used one of his songs in one of my vlogs? It was Stewart Island Day 2.
Oh, okay, yeah, I think I did.
I could go out, I could hang ten. Pinky the Galah.
Oh, you were telling me about that?
Yeah.
So I'll say I have.
He's so cute, that little wee galah, right? Because I guess Pinky's a girl, I suppose. But Dave was telling me that because this bird hangs on his shoulder all the time like a little pirate bird, it's constantly pulling on everything, and like it puts holes in his t-shirts and stuff.
Would it be? Would this be now a good time to plug some more cryptocurrency coins and mention the word Bitcoin.
Well, why don't you go right ahead and do that, and I'll just smile and nod, and I'll just pretend like I know what you're talking about.
Are they accepting cryptocurrency here? Did you pay for that food with Bitcoin?
Yes, in fact, yes, I did in fact pay for this with Bitcoin. What does a Bitcoin cost? Well, one Bitcoin's like, what, $900 or something? The last time I looked anyway. So I paid with 0.001% of a Bitcoin to buy the samosas.
Wow, that's excellent. I definitely need that in my... Actually, Jamie and I were discussing just the other night our decentralisation and what it really means. You really felt that that was a great question to ask on the video. Yeah. Oh, that's a B.
That's a B.
Take a sting! Take a sting! Take a sting!
I'm not going to take a sting for the team. And look at this, it's hanging around the Coca-Cola because that's where the sweet thing is. It can smell the sweet thing.
I mean, I don't go around.
Sons of Anarchy are coming through.
Oh, okay. I'm a bit slow on it. Yeah, gimbal isn't as good.
So Canon just released the EOS M50 mirrorless camera.
With 4K capable.
Yeah, it has got 4K, but I watched McKinnon's video on the EOS M50, and the 4K doesn't look that good because there's a lot of focus hunting that was kind of in and out, which...
I noticed that focus shift too, and then so the only way around that is of course to film in manual focus, and that is really... Yeah. Overall, I thought it's a fairly pricey camera too, so it's not one I'm interested in.
Yeah, you get fun on that.
I am Y2J.
I'm Hamish Webb.
and this has been the
vlog of the century.
double vlog takeover.
Oh, this has been the double
vlog takeover.
Yay! It's very rehearsed, and he tells me what to do quite a lot. It's quite bossy. If anyone's actually thinking about doing a vlog collab with Y2J, just be aware of that. Get in contact with me first. Get a few tips on how to handle him. Where's this? You've already crushed yours.
Well, I've half crushed it. Alright, this is for November Fox.